In this video, you have been given important information related to coriander leaves and seeds. How beneficial is coriander for our health, and how can we make our body healthy and disease-free by using its medicinal properties? Coriander contains many nutrients that are essential for our body. Both its leaves and seeds are rich in nutrients and provide many health benefits. Below is detailed information about each of the major nutrients found in coriander leaves and seeds and their health benefits. Coriander, Coriandrum sativum, is a nutrient-rich herb that contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, acting as a natural multivitamin multimineral source. It is particularly high in vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A, as well as minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients support immune function, bone health, and overall well-being. Additionally, coriander provides antioxidants and trace elements like zinc and manganese. The leaves have 23 calories and the seeds have 298 calories. The calories provide energy to the body. Coriander leaves are low in calories, which makes it suitable for weight loss. Coriander seeds are high in calories, which makes it one of the foods that provide energy to the body. Leaves contain 92.2 grams of water and seeds contain 8.9 grams of water, replenishes the water deficiency in the body, which is necessary for the proper functioning of cells and organs. Coriander leaves have high water content, due to which it helps in providing moisture to the skin.
Coriander leaves contain 2.1 grams of protein and seeds contain 12.4 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair and helps in making enzymes and hormones in the body. Coriander seeds have a high protein content, which makes them useful for body growth. Coriander leaves contain carbohydrates, 3.67 grams and seeds contain 54.99 grams. Carbohydrates provide quick energy to the body, which is essential for your brain function. Coriander seeds contain more carbohydrates, which provide energy to the body. Coriander leaves contain 2.8 grams and seeds contain 41.9 grams of dietary fiber. Coriander is helpful in relieving constipation. Coriander keeps the digestive system healthy. Coriander helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Coriander helps in reducing cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart diseases. 0.52 grams of fat is present in the leaves and 17.77 grams in the seeds. Fat is necessary for making cell membranes. Fat helps in making hormones in the body. Coriander seeds are high in fat, but it is a healthy fat that is beneficial for the body. The leaves contain 27 milligrams of vitamin C and the seeds contain 21 milligrams. Vitamin C boosts immunity and keeps the skin glowing and healthy. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and helping in quick healing of wounds. 6748 units leaves 0 unit seeds contains vitamin A. It helps improve eyesight and maintains healthy skin and immune system. Vitamin A acts as an antioxidant and protects against free radicals. 310 units of vitamin K is present in leaves and 135 units in seeds. Benefits of vitamin K helps in clotting of blood, which prevents bleeding in case of injury. Helps in strengthening bones. Helps in preventing osteoporosis, problem of weakening of bones. 62 units of leaves and 1 unit of seeds contain vitamin B9. Benefits of vitamin B9. Dash. It is a very essential vitamin for pregnant women. It helps in the development of the fetus, helps in the formation of red blood cells, which prevents anemia, helps in DNA synthesis. The leaves contain 67 milligrams of calcium and the seeds contain 709 milligrams of calcium. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth and improves muscle function. Calcium maintains the function of the heart and nervous system. 1.77 milligram of iron is present in leaves and 16.32 milligrams in seeds. Iron maintains the level of hemoglobin in the blood and helps in curing anemia, helps in energy production. Magnesium is present in 26 milligrams leaves and 330 milligrams seeds. Magnesium strengthens bones and regulates the function of muscles and nervous system along with helping in controlling blood pressure. There is 521 milligrams of potassium in the leaves and 1267 milligrams in the seeds. Potassium controls heart rate and blood pressure and also helps in muscle contraction. It also helps in balancing the effect of sodium in the body. The leaves contain 48 milligrams of phosphorus and the seeds 409 milligrams. Phosphorus strengthens bones and teeth and helps in energy production in the body. Phosphorus also plays an important role in DNA and RNA synthesis. Zinc is present in 0.5 milligram leaves and 4.7 milligram seeds. Zinc boosts immunity and helps in wound healing. Zinc is also an essential mineral for skin and hair health. Copper is found in 0.25 milligram leaves and 0.975 milligram seeds. Copper helps in blood formation and aids in brain development. Manganese is found in 0.4 to 6 milligram leaves and 1.9 milligram seeds. Manganese strengthens bones and acts as an antioxidant. How to make coriander juice? Take 100 grams of coriander leaves and prepare juice using a mixer. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Include this healthy drink in your daily routine and enjoy its benefits. Benefits of coriander juice. 1. Coriander juice helps boost immunity. 2. It helps flush out all the toxins from the body. 3. Coriander juice provides you with essential vitamins and minerals. 4. Coriander juice is low in calories and high in fiber, which makes it beneficial in diabetes as it has a low glycemic index. 5. Coriander contains folic acid, and lemon contains vitamin C. These protect the body from anemia. 6. Coriander juice helps fight acne and cleanse the skin. Apart from this, it helps strengthen hair. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. Please comment and share how you like this video so that we get inspired for more informative videos.